I am Janet and I'm a health coach. I like to teach people healthy habits so they can live a long time and feel great and be healthy. I come on and do videos for you to show you healthy recipes, and tonight I wanted to show you a green goddess salad dressing. Now, to be honest, I have not really had green goddess salad dressing very often, but I'm always looking on different ways to make salad dressings because they're so simple to make from your home. So green goddess is really what it says. It's a bunch of green and other things to make it delicious. So when I looked it up and looked at different recipes, it seemed that one theme I found was lemon juice, some form of cream, and an anchovy. So don't let the anchovy make you afraid and have you run away. It's a very subtle flavor, but it'll give it some depth to it that you won't quite get. Guess my additional thing I'm going to add is a half of an avocado to add some healthy fat. For my cream, I'm using coconut milk, and I just opened a can, and so I wanted to take a minute just to teach you. When you open a can of coconut milk, it is naturally half milky and half fat. So I usually just take my can, dump it in a bowl just like I'm doing here. I use what I need, and then I put the rest in a cur jar and just leave it in my refrigerator. So that's as hard as that is. I'm going to put about, I have my Vitamix here, and I'm going to put probably about a quarter cup, let's say. So the coconut milk is delightful. It's got a beautiful, nice, sweet flavor. If you have cream at home or you had yogurt, some of the recipes I saw had yogurt, you could certainly do that. This is my cup mark. I want to do a little bit more. I want to go about a half a cup. So I'm using the Vitamix to help me measure. Most of the recipes that I saw called for lemon juice. I'm actually going to use lime, and I'm going to use this dressing for a coleslaw. So I'm going to put half lime juice in there. And then I like to balance out the acidity of the lime juice with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to use a white balsamic. It's not flavored, it's just a really light white balsamic, and I'm going to use about a teaspoon of that. I'm going to put in a little bit of sea salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add the half of an avocado. And then I'm going to show you the herbs that I picked out to make my dressing. When I looked at it, there were many different types of herbs that people used. And so I decided I would kind of go my own way, which is what I do. So I have a clove of garlic, that guy's going in. And my herbs that I picked, I have some fresh mint from my garden, cilantro, and this is the top of the celery. So it is the celery leaves, which I think have an awesome flavor. I have 2 scallions, and I'm going to also put in some fresh ginger. So this is a microplane, and I thought that the ginger with the coconut, with the avocado, and the mint would just give it a really nice summer flavor. So I'm grating that right in. He's done. And then for the herbs, since it is going to be blended, I don't need to spend a lot of time chopping them. I'm just going to cut the onion down because it's bigger than the rest of the pieces, so it doesn't get wrapped up in the blades. So the onion goes in, 2 pieces of onion. I have about a tablespoon of fresh mint, a handful of fresh cilantro, and then the celery leaves, cut them down a little bit as well. Everybody's going in. Now additionally to that, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil and blend it up, and it is going to have the most beautiful flavor. So here we go. And then since I have that avocado in there, it's going to keep a nice, thick, creamy consistency. With the lime juice and the balsamic, it's going to stay in the refrigerator for maybe a week because of the acidity in those. You can taste it to see what you like in there, but I'm kind of excited. And my little anchovy fillet, you can buy them in a jar with olive oil. I'm going to put that in, give it one more blend, and we're good to go. I'm going to have my salad or my dressing on coleslaw tonight. I hope this recipe has helped you be creative in your kitchen making a salad dressing. Remember to go to your kitchen with curiosity and joy and see, what can I bring together? What herbs sound good to me? I hope you like these recipes as much as I love making them for you, and that you're learning. If I can help you in any way to lose weight or fight your autoimmune disease, learn how to cook healthier in your kitchen, I would love to help you. Please message me down below and we can schedule a consultation. Enjoy your evening and thank you for paying attention. I appreciate you.